Hi. My name is Tom. Today is a big day for me. It's my first day at my new job. I wake up early. 6 a.m. I sit on the bed. My hands feel cold. I think, can I do this? What if I fail? I put on a clean shirt. I wear my watch. I look in the mirror. I try to smile. But inside, I feel nervous. Really nervous. I walk out of my house. The sky is grey. I take a deep breath. Come on, Tom. Be strong. I take the bus. I sit by the window. I watch people. They look busy. Fast. Smart. I feel small. I close my eyes. I say in my mind, you can do this. I reach the office. It's tall and bright. I walk in. Doors open. Ding. So many people. Everyone is moving fast. I don't know where to go. I stand there, holding my bag tight. Then a man walks up to me. He smiles and says, "Hey, you must be Tom." I say, "Yes. That's me." He says, "I'm Alex. I'll show you around." He seems nice. I feel a little better. Alex shows me my desk. It's near a window. There's a computer and a chair. He says, "This is your space." I sit down. My hands still shake a little. But I breathe slowly. I start to feel calm. I learn to use the email. I write, "Hello, I'm Tom. I'm new here." I send it. Click. Wow, first email, done. Not bad. At lunch, I sit with a few co-workers. They smile and ask, "First day?" I say, "Yes." They laugh. One says, "Don't worry. We all started this way." I smile. I feel welcome. After lunch, I take some calls. I speak to 2 customers. One says, "Thank you. You helped me." That felt good. Really good. I'm helping. I'm doing the job. The day ends. It's 5 p.m. I pack my things. I take the bus again. This time, I look outside with a smile. The sky is clear now. I did it. My first day. I worked hard. Tomorrow, I'll go again. And I will do better. I still have a lot to learn. But today, I took the first step. Hello world, I'm Tom. And I'm ready.